Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series, question number 13. Hornbill Festival is a cultural festival celebrated in which state or union territory? Options: Nagaland, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram. So, before looking into the answer, let's see some of the important details about this Hornbill Festival. How did the festival derive its name? The festival derives its name from the bird named Hornbill. And what is the main objective of this Hornbill Festival? The objective of this festival is to protect and promote the rich culture of Nagaland, to revive the traditions of Nagaland, to promote intertribal interaction, and to promote tourism in Nagaland by helping the tourist experience the customs, food, songs, and dance of Nagaland. And where is this Hornbill Festival held? Hornbill Festival is held in a village named Kisama. It is located in between two villages named Kigwema and Fesama. Kisama is located at a distance of 12 kilometers from Kohima, which is the capital of Nagaland. So the right answer for the question is option A, Nagaland. Hornbill Festival is a cultural festival celebrated in the state of Nagaland. And here is another question for you. Which country tops the Global Minority Index? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali, and also do not forget to check out the community post.